Ano?
Here to second floor 215.
Going to on lake.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ang dami nila. Anong meron? Nagulat si kuya eh. Ayan. Nasa ko. I'm going. Hanapin natin itong MRT. Still here in Taiwan, guys. Akit kami ng bundok. Baka station.
Station naman.
Section 4. Ito nga, tama to. Wala. No. Ano? Pero hindi siya ano no, dugtong-dugtong. Dito bi. Ay, dito pala. Bus station ng Taipei, guys. $400B.
Upstairs to second floor 215.
215.
Yeah.
After, kaya to be. Oo. So, 4 hours 4 hours to Alishan, no? I know Sanmon Lake. From Sanmon Lake, Alishan na. Anong oras?
Magkasabitan tayo ng seat.
Oh, siguro. Sa ano tayo, be? Upstairs?
Kailangan makaabot tayo ng bus.
Oo, 214. Asan yung 215, be? Ayun, 215. Here. $720, oh. Ay, si madam. Sa baba na yun natin lagay. Self-service pala dito, B. Sunshine. Ba't ang... Ay, may ticket tayo. Sorry. May number pala yan, B. Sorry. May number pala, guys. Anong number na? 21. Ando yun, no?
Dito na tayo. Pagsilita na lang.
Hindi. We're going to Mon Lake, guys. Wish us luck. Let's do this. Kaya natin. Kaya? 4 hours from here. Taipei Main Station. Going to matulog tayo. No, ang laki ng pinto.
Ano ko sa Thailand? So, 20
Ano, naubusan ka na?
到了
到了
三重 Station，
Sangchong.
三重站，
Oh, diba? Sangchong siya.
下一站旗下站 Chisha Station，加他站加下。
Ito ginagawa pa lang. Pagbalik natin dito, buo na yan ah. Pero po, gusto bala kong bumalik dito nang hindi na siya ano,
Di ba nag-date tayo kahapon?
dahil yun dun.
Pioneer account kami, di ba?
Oo.
Ang trainer namin, taga New Zealand talaga. Yung 11. Talaga yung staff.
酒厂 Cooley Distillery 保利酒厂。
7-Eleven, gusto mo kumain? San Juan Lake. Together. Bali, 95 each. This is 40. Thank you so much, ma'am. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Joy.
Joy. My Joanne. Alvin. Alvin.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank the Philippines. Say hi to the Philippines.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I know
You're
one
good.
teacher
You're
from
good in
Paul. He's teaching in the primary school. He's from Philippines too.
Oh, right.
Yeah, and he likes to travel.
Yeah, we love
It is on your place?
Hmm?
It is near on your
Hi guys, let's eat na lang. Kain muna kami. Only $45. Ito, 50.
Ako cheho yan.
tataka. Are you sure? This is the price of tataka.
Yes. This one.
Oh, from Taichung to Taipei. Oh. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. God bless. We have easy card, guys. Sa mukhang maganda naman yun, eh, no? Kung wala tayong trespass, hindi naman tayo mag-ano na doon, no? Magde-day tour lang naman tayo, no?
Ang ganda mismo.
Ay, wait lang. Ang ganda. Wow! Nice. Moon Lake, right? Ang ganda pala dito. Love Home Hotel. Ako parang uulan. Ha? May picture tayo dito. Dito. Ang ganda. Bye-bye. Ano to? Lake? Ano to? Sanmon Lake. Bye-bye, Sanmon Lake. Ayan siya, guys. Sanmon. May picture?
Go.
Okay. Ikaw? Ang dami nila. Anong meron? San Mon Lake.
Tawaran natin.
Ha?
Ano, dito na tayo?
1,000. Parang 2,000 yun. Ah. Parang social man. 3,000. Ganda oh. Ano ba? Bawal mag? Ano yun? Yan na itong CR. Good morning! This is our third day here in Taiwan. And I woke up like this. Charot. So right now we're preparing and then we're going to Tataka registration area, which is we need to wait for the bus. So yung bus po ay alas 8 pa. Ngayon is 7, exact 7 o'clock. So let's go guys. Nag-check-in pala kami dito sa San Mon Lake. Kasi hindi kami umabot ng bus kahapon. Kasi yung bus alas 8 lang pala talaga ng umaga. So, wala kaming no choice kundi magstay dito. Alright? So, later, I will show you the highest mountain here in Taiwan. Thank you guys. Wish us luck kasi DIY lang to. Super do-it-yourself talaga. So, this is the view here in our hotel. Ayan, hindi siya kagandahan kasi nasa rooftop tayo. But we're good. Here. Stay here. Ta-da! Guys, good luck to us. Let's do this. The hike. The highest mountain here in Taiwan. Good. We're going. Let's go. This is it.
Magkano kaya cup dito?
Ha?
Sudelo.
Cup na?
Sudelo.
Oh, na. Kasi mainit, no? Mountain here in Taiwan. Bye-bye. Thank you. Araso. Asan ka?
Dapat saka mga natinawag, lahat na natin.
Nilahat na.
Narinig pala ako.
Kids, we're still here in Taiwan. Third day na natin, no? Oh my God, nakasurvive kami. And we're still surviving. Since we need to go to the bus station with him, and we're just going to wait sa aming bus going to Tataka.
Saan tayo mapili?